What is up? So today I'm going to be trying the brown sugar boba ice cream bar that was trending a few months ago and finally got my hands on it because of Rebecca. Then I'm going to be letting her cut my hair after 5 weeks of quarantine and 2 months of not having a haircut. So let's see how that goes. Check it out. So this is the brown sugar boba ice cream bar. So this was trending for like a few months back. Rebecca with the clutch move finally got it. So this will eat the brown sugar, some ice cream, the boba balls right here. So let's take a bite. Wow, that's good. So basically it tastes like brown sugar milk tea. You can taste the sweetness of the brown sugar, and the boba balls or the tapioca balls are like literally right here, part of the ice cream. Really chewy. The tapioca balls aren't hard. Really fresh. Brown sugar isn't really overpowering. It reminds me of the brown sugar boba tea at Tiger Sugar. Check it out. See the tapioca balls, soft and chewy. And then there's the brown sugar. This might be vanilla ice cream. I don't know, can't tell. Or milk. So that's a wrap for this video. The brown sugar boba ice cream bar was really delicious. Definitely met the hype, but at $8 to $9 for 4 bars, it's definitely only worth a try once. You can find it at any Asian supermarket. The clip of Rebecca cutting my hair will be right after this, so I'll see you guys next time.